Hey everyone, so we are back from the flower fields. It was so much fun. We spent about 5 hours there with our friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. And now I'm going to tackle my Fabfitfun box. And I have had these items in this box sitting here since before we even left for Chicago, which was, I think, the second week of April. So I am really excited to show you guys what I got. This is not a Fabfitfun box, but these are the items that they sell after a seasonal box is over. So these are the items that are really discounted that maybe you didn't get in your box and just want to try out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. Not all beauty, actually a very, very eclectic mix. So the first one is beauty. This is by Skin & Company. It's Truffle Therapy. Their anti-age regenerative face cream. The jar itself just looks so enticing. It makes you look like you want to eat it. So it is called Truffle Therapy Cream, and so I guess it's supposed to look very decadent. And I love the packaging. It's very, very luxe. So on the inside is this seal. It smells like just like a regular moisturizing cream. The cream is nice and thick. So apparently they have reformulated their therapy cream into this deep anti-aging and antioxidant effect of the original formula, creating a new texture that is fast absorbing, light, and leaves the skin silky smooth. This therapy cream is an ideal moisturizing concentrate and primer base for any makeup application. Next, I got this really cool crossbody bag, and it's clear. I know this sounds crazy. I mean, I'm not one to wear like those bags that are see-through. However, I just thought this would be really cool to have my phone in, and even around the house, because if you guys watched my last vlog, I actually bought this little remote key finder, which sounds so silly, but it totally works. And I'm always putting my phone down in different places around the house, and I could never find it. So I've actually attached this little receiver on it, so anytime I lose my phone, I just push the remote and I can find it around the house. Honestly, I've gotten my money's worth so quickly because I lose my phone all the time. But I thought this was really cool for just to have around the house if I want to carry my phone in here, or if we're going on a walk with the dogs, I can just throw my keys and my phone in here, no problem, without having to bring an actual purse or put it in the stroller. It's also great for like walking to school with my daughter, and also just like running out for errands. I think this is just so smart to have, and I love that it's in the shape of a phone. That way I can keep it as that and not stuff it with other things. So I thought this was a really cool find, and I love that it has this kind of rose gold. I don't know if it's copper, but it seems like more rose gold to me. And I love that it's clear, so I can see exactly what's in here instead of going, oh my gosh, is my phone in there? Are my keys in there? I have no idea. So that is cool. Oh my God. I'm so embarrassed right now. Okay, so speaking of which, you guys, I totally 100% forgot that I bought this off of Fabfitfun, and it is a freaking Silo finder key tracker. Oh my gosh, I actually bought the one I have right now from Amazon, and I legitimately forgot that I bought this on Fabfitfun. How ironic that I forgot that I bought this and then bought another one. So this is going to be key when I am out of the house, and obviously I'm not going to bring the remote with me when I'm out and about, but this is great so that I can bring this on the road. So if ever I lose my phone or my keys somewhere in my car, I do that a lot. If you have kids, you're kind of getting stuff out of the back seat, putting kids in, having play dates. I have lost my keys in my car before, and I think this would be great for that. The next thing I got is this SPF Bar Republic sunscreen, and this is mineral sunscreen lotion. I like using mineral sunscreen lotion. I feel like it just gives a little bit more coverage, and I like to use it when on days that I'm not wearing makeup, or like face makeup, because it can be a little bit thicker than normal sunscreen. So this is great because it's cruelty-free, non-GMO, gluten-free, and it's TSA approved. I just also got these other features right here. And then I also got a pair of blue light blocking glasses. I know that a lot of companies are coming out with really cool looking blue light blocking sunglasses, and I thought that it'd be really cool to get a pair that were available on Fabfitfun. They came in this very cool style, And these look like my other glasses. If you didn't know, I got LASIK a couple months ago. I actually have my follow-up appointment next Friday, so I don't have to wear glasses or contacts anymore, which is amazing. But I also want to preserve my eyes when I'm on my computer or my phone a lot. Blue light that gets emitted from your electronics, whether it's your computer screen, your laptop, or your phone. And so this helps to give some relief to your eyes. They look pretty cool. These aren't something that you would wear, you know, out and about all the time or driving or anything. Just when you are looking at a computer screen, that would be really, really helpful to have. And then lastly, I got these really cool cutting mats for the kitchen. These are 12 by 15, and this set came with a number of cutting boards, and I love that they're flexible and they come in different colors. And the reason why they come in different colors is so you can kind of color code what you're cooking that night or day. So if you have poultry or chicken on one thing or fish on the other, and then you've got veggies or fruit or onions and you don't want to mix it up and you kind of want to have everything color coded, then I thought that was really, really great. So you got red, yellow, this beautiful bright yellow, got blue, kind of like a turquoise blue, and then green. So cool. And if you don't have these type of like flexible cutting boards, these are really great because a lot of the times when you chop up your food, your produce, your fruit, all you have to do is pick up this bad boy like this and then dump it into your pot, your pan, in a bowl if you're cutting fruit for your kids. It's so easy and convenient to use. And again, I love the colors. It's just so, so cute. I'm really excited about buying a lot more stuff for our new kitchen, which is almost done. So that is it. Let me know if you guys have any questions about any of these products. I will be doing an update about these products in like future vlogs and also on my Instagram, which is PrettyCasualCoco. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.